Hello everyone, this is Vikalyan and today we are going to discuss the problem of arrays of arrays. So what does it mean of arrays of arrays? So if I'm going to use text split in my cell, now what I need to do, I need to break all the numbers here separated through comma. Now this is quite simple. We can use text split in Office 365. So here is text split. Now text is this one. Now comma and column delimiter is comma. So in double quotes I'm putting that comma. Now you need to close the parentheses and enter. So this is quite working. Now let me just format this here also. Now here it is. Now what if I'm instead of this B4 I'm going to select whole data from B4 to B100. Now you will see the problem is it is not splitting all the cell, rather than it is only taking the first value. Now this problem is called as arrays of arrays. Now what if I'm going to use map function or by row function, whether it is going to work? Let's check. So I'm going to use map over here, map. So array would be your whole data. Now select your data, now put comma. Now I'm going to use lambda. Now parameter I'm going to enter x over here and comma, and instead of this whole range I'm entering x. Now close the parentheses and enter. Now this will show up calculation problem because of the problem of arrays of array. The problem can be solved by using reduce function, but we are going to use a simple two functions to solve this arrays of array problem. Now the answer is, what I need to do, I need to join all the cell in one cell. That can be uh, joined through text join. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use text join. Now in delimiter, what you need to do, instead of the symbol means comma, you can use any other symbol. Let's say I am using this and symbol over here and double quotes comma. What do you want to do with the empty cells? I want to ignore it, true, comma. Now I'm going to select all the cells like this, close the parentheses and enter. Now you will see all cells has concatenated with the end symbol. Their internal value is separated through commas. Now I'm going to use text split now. Text split. So text, this whole thing is text. Now comma, column delimiter, I need to separate all the columns by comma. So I'm going to enter comma in double quotes, comma. Now in row delimiter, I need to use and symbol because my row has merged through and symbol. So now and close the parentheses and enter, and you will see all data has segregated. Now the last function is, I need to put double negative here to make all the text into numbers, and you will see here. Now we can simply ignore the error by using if error. So and in case of error I want blanks. So close the parentheses and enter, and you will see only the two functions are helping us, text join and text split. See you in next video. Keep enjoying and keep learning.